Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the FanttikOutdoor 34-inch square folding table. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as you get it out of the box, pretty standard. Has a simple carrying handle. It's decent weight to it, but that'll just open right up. And you're going to kind of pop things into place. So first thing you want to do is kind of pop that into place, pop that one into place. Then have your instruction manual stuff. This looks like it's kind of stickered in, and we'll have to cut this one out. For release, it looks pretty simple. We're just going to literally press these buttons down to close them up. Same thing here, we'll just press this to bend it, but then we'll click it into place and it should lock. And I'm just going to open this up a little bit so you can see. Probably going to just adjust here so you can see the height. So I just want to show you the height of this. I'm 6'1", so it's a little bit below my waist, but you can get a good feel. It's pretty sturdy. Wobbles a little bit as you would expect, and stays again intact. So really nice, and pretty excited about this, quite frankly, because I've been looking for a good table that's easy to transport. And again, we're just going to show you how this breaks down. Just going to pop that down. Now this can go taller and shorter, actually. So I'm gonna see if you can see this. Zoom in right here. You'll see a little nub that allows me to kind of push in, and when I do that, this can actually just come all the way down. No, I'm not doing a good job, so let me zoom out. Now that you've got the nub and you see what it does, it can literally just kind of extend to multiple positions depending on what you're looking to do. So different heights, which is nice. And then again, this will close, fold by pressing this button. That should, for the most part, stay kind of latched by clicking the corners. It should stay in good shape, and then you're all set. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.